Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the sparkle edge outline effect to your videos in CapCut. So this is the new effect to try on your videos. I suggest you to use this effect for your dance video like this, for example. So here you can just go to effect, find the body effects. Now on the trending here you can use you can see the sparkle edge shown in here, but if you cannot find it, just click on stroke, and here is the sparkle edge effect. Click on the effect, adjust it to your liking. Here you can adjust the range. Atmosphere, I'm going to go with 90, and the size of the sparkle edge. Speed, I'm going to go with as it is, and here you can also adjust the glow. When you're done, just click on the check icon and adjust the line to your liking. So this will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.